Galatians 5:22-25 says this: the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, me too, goodness, faith, gentleness, and self-control. Against such things there is no law. Those who belong to Christ have crucified the flesh with its passions and lusts. If we live by the Spirit, let's also walk by the Spirit. Now that last part reminds me of our Unity core beliefs, especially number 5. Our core beliefs. God is all there is. God's the force of love, the force of wisdom that's present everywhere, underlies all of existence. Humans are divine. We are inherently good. Each of us in that spider web, that connectedness, that togetherness, each of us are inherently good because we're divine at our core. Our thoughts have creative power. We have the power to attract experiences and influence outcomes. Prayer and meditation are our spiritual tools that help us keep us aligned with that great power of the universe. And then this last one, this sounds just like what Paul said. If we live by the Spirit, let us also walk by the Spirit. Live the truth. It is not enough to understand spiritual teachings. We've got to live the truth. We know. We've got to apply our learning in all those areas of our life, incorporating them into our thoughts, our words, and our deeds. So I want to go back to that question I started with. How are you living the truth you know today? How are you expressing God today? You are expressing God. Every thought, every word, every deed. How much of God are you expressing? And how much of the ego are you expressing? So here's what Father Phil Moore, our Unity founder, has to say about the fruits of the Spirit. These are proofs of the Spirit in you. Whoever exhibits these qualities in their daily living possesses and is possessed by the Spirit in the measure in which they express them.